record. So I think recording started. You guys see any button or saying?
No, we don't see it.
It says started. Okay. You guys see my screen?
Yes, and
Yes.
recording has started also.
Correct. Okay. What the presentation is?
Yes, we can see the presentation.
So yes, I am in stock market like 2005, on and off, learning time. Like started in India, so still going on, and I'm still alive. So yeah, I little bit know now, but still every day it's a new learning and adding something in your buckets. So I'm not sure how much we have that guests are knowing the stock market, but I'm assuming you know little bit about stock market, and you know what is chart, what is candlestick, what is moving average, because that is going to be very basic, and that will be totally different kind of learning curve for us. So I'm just going over what I do exactly. I will show you that, and if you have questions, we'll go over it. We'll go over some chart, so real thing you can see, and we can discuss that. Means anytime if you have questions, and we can go over it. Okay. So what I understood nowadays, we people, when we talking to the people, is jargon, day trading, swing trading. I am position trader. I am building a wealth, or I am making income every day from the stock market. So if you are really short term, if you are really just on every day from the stock market, is called day trading or swing trading, which is like a very small time frame you have for that. And if you are having a job like me, I am a DBA and working full time for the company, and then side sometime I am just doing this as my passion, as hobby, and still on the process of green card. So you just have to work. So there is no other options. I do in the side, but so your time frame will define what you are doing, but that is nothing bigger to learn. This is just when we are talking to somebody, what you are doing, you just have to use the word. Otherwise, there is nothing. If you what is the day trading means? If you are using minutes in the market or hours in the market and getting out in faster, that is a day trading. What is swing trading? You buy today, sell tomorrow, or within a week. It's a swing trading.
Mayur bhai, just a point here, like if you are changing the slides, we are just seeing your first slide itself, like it hasn't changed.
Okay. So I changed second type of trading. So you see that day trading, minute of hour holding stock?
No, we see it on the side. I don't think the presentation has started.
Yeah, Mayur bhai.
Okay.
I think you can you click again on the share screen and select
New share.
a box will pop up and
Screen.
yeah, and
share.
select, and yes.
Yes, now we can see it.
Okay.
Types of trading, day swing position.
Okay, so mostly I am trend trader. I am not bottom picker, or not holding my stock for life. So this is all trading about trend. So day trading is means day swing and position trading, where people can make an income. But if you are wealth, means you are holding for years, it's a wealth, making wealth also possible in the stock market, right? So what is the day trading? Day trading is you are holding for minute to hours in the market in a open position in a day and close in the same day. Swing trading is open today, sell tomorrow, or within a week or 2-3 days and make some money with the swing. What is a positional trading or wealth building is you buy today, sell in a year, sell in a month, depending on your profit, what your expectation in the market. That's how it works. Wealth, mostly people just buy and hold for life, for their kid or for their retirement. So people build the wealth on the thing. So if you are a day trader, you are making just living, not expected like making millions in a day. But if you are wealth building, this can be build a wealth for you. If you have other job, you can just buy and some hold it for life. In the market, we have three kind of trend where stock is going up, stock is going down, and sideways. So stock goes up for like 5-10 days in a month and then stops there. It might be just changing the hand. It might be just somebody's no, means it's already overbought. We call overbought, oversold, and stuff. But there is a trend. It's a sideways trend. It's not doing anything, and you are just getting frustrated. But you can't do anything. So three kind of trend we see here. One is going down, one going up, and one is side trend. You see the chart. I'm again changing it, and I'm not saying the side. So trend chart. This is chart. I am showing it like what is the trend you see here, but uh, here trend down, trend up, and trend sideways. So next slide, where what we need. Now I'm going to teach you guys that what exactly, how I do, what we need to understand. Trend is changing, what we need to understand. Are we going in, are we going out? That's the steps. So till now, what I was telling is like what you need, how you see, what can you do, and jargon people are talking, you can participate into that. But now the part where I am going to show you what we need to do and how we need to do. So we need a candlestick chart. I use candlestick chart. There is a number of other chart, Ranko, and some Hakanasi, and different number of chart you can use, line chart and stuff. But I prefer visual on the screen, just look at it and I'm done. I hardly spend 10 to 15 minutes. If you ask me any stock and I see just 5 minutes, and I will tell this is what this chart is doing, what this stock is doing, what should you do, just looking at it. So I like the candlestick chart. And every candlestick chart means I like moving average on it because it shows the price. It's a little lagging indicator, but it shows the visualizing that okay, what happening. 20 and 200 is not important. People are watching. You can put 50, you whatever you like, your birthday, your wife's birthday, your kid's birthday, whatever you like, just put it there and make sure you have that on the chart. Two moving average at least, not more than 3 and not less than 2. That will help you to visualize your chart. That is what's happening in the market right now. You don't have to spend a lot of time. And then swing high and swing low is like always stock is not going to go up and down. It will go up, little bit pull back and then go up or down. That's how it works. So if you know little bit swing high, swing low will help, not important, but so that's just a visualizing. Whatever I'm saying is all visualization when you are looking at chart. I see there is a number of candlestick available in the Steve Nishan's book. I read that book, entire book. I like that book, but I prefer you follow any 2 candlesticks which helps. Don't go in all the candlestick. Every candlestick has a psychology behind it. So follow any 2. I like the bullish engulfing pattern and hammer pattern for bullish charts, and shooting star or reverse in hammer and reverse engulf pattern in the bearish chart. Candles is when you see the candlestick, make sure in the chart candlestick size has to be big. When you see this pattern, it has to be big. Small candlestick, ignore it. Don't go behind it. It's all psychology. Just when you see any of these bearish or bullish, look for the big candlesticks. Now this is how I see my chart. Is 20 moving average, 200 moving average. I buy only stock because we are looking at the uptrend stocks, or we are trend trading. When trend starts, we need to see, okay, trend is in my side. I will need to go in. Then I will look for my candlesticks. and I will try to find my place where I will buy it and get out of it. I will see my chart this way. So on this example, I am having 20 moving average, 200 moving average. I see the candlestick there. Only criteria is stock has to be near touching, or you can visualize, okay, this is near, not far. So when you see this candle, it's far. When you see this candle, it's near. So when it's touching, it makes sense that, okay, you can buy this candle. Now buying signal is, you know, that 4 candles we learned, that 2 up, 2 down, those candles, look for those candles, look for your moving average, and near to that moving average you can buy. So here I am buying. I am always going to think about how much I am losing first. I am not making target that how much I am making money. My thing is I am how much I am losing money first thing, and depending on that I am decide how much I will buy. Because if stop loss is too big, forget about it. You will not buy it. If your stop loss is too small, maybe that candle is not making sense that time, so don't buy it. Make your buy accordingly. When you see, okay, this is the your stop loss and now trend is started, get it in. One candle stop, that is my stop loss. When you buy, that is the candle, that is the reason buy. Stop loss is here under this candle when we buy it, and that's all we can take it, that candle, that's all. If stop hits, get out. Loss is part of the business. So when you do any business, we are like a restaurant business or any business starts, that business you always make loss, or you always make uh, uh, means cost of doing that business. That is what it is, means cost of doing this business right now. So that is your stop loss. Please, this is the rule. People fail because of breaking the rule. Don't break that rule. Buy here, stop loss is same candle, just put that stop loss. Now lower high, lower low, swing high, swing up, swing down, that will come into the picture. But our buying signal is near to 20. Now there is one more concept I apply, where I see why I have 200. I don't care about 200 until I see that, okay, there is a too far, that
Can I, sorry,
average.
can I interrupt you? Like, if everybody is aware of what 20 or a 200 moving average you are referring to. So,
That's I supposed to ask actually.
Okay, so what is moving average? What is the average, right? What is average? Is normally average is we have few numbers, 5, 10, 15, 20, and combine, plus divide by number of whatever number you plus added into it. So this is like 10 candle, 20. If I am saying 20 moving average, so last 20 candle closing price, last 20 period closing price. So when you are putting this, software is, you don't have to calculate because software is doing for it. All software is free. You don't have to buy anything. So when you see this moving, this line is plotting here, that software is calculating last 20 candle and averaging out. So this is simple calculation. Software is doing last 20 candle plus divide by 20. Same thing, last 200 candles. If you are on the day chart, it will be last 20-day closing, 200-day closing divided by 200, 20-day closing divided by 20. 1 hour chart, last 20 hours closing divided by 20. So moving average, average means average in the maths. That's simple. Nothing, no means fancy or scientific anything here. Simple. Last 20 divided by 20. That's all. So that makes sense.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. So
One question, Mayur
yeah,
which software is this like you're talking about?
I will show you. I will show you. Nothing
Oh, okay, thank
fancy. I will show you everything. Just try to understand what I'm trying to say here is we are going to find out the trend. We are trying to because you don't have to calculate moving average also. You don't have to do anything. You just have to see chart and say, okay, this is what you said that okay, near 220, one candle stop loss. My candle is Harami, means that reverse hammer or straight hammer or in engulfing. I am good. My stop is here. I am in. My stop loss is this. If lose, I am out. If not, I will hold it and see how to get out of it. So I will see, I will tell you when to sell, but right now when to buy, how to buy.
A question here. Does it mean that when you buy, you put a stop loss immediately?
Yes, 10 cent down. Whatever you buy and that candle, 10 cent, exact 10 cent under that closing price, means open price on that candle particular, give the 10 cent of, and then going.
Okay. But
So you don't have to worry about it. But some people
right.
don't like because it's like software is looking at it. It might become and hit you. So that people don't put it in. But I just go and put it in.
But isn't 10 cent like so depend irrespective of what the price is? Would you put a 10 cent?
Yes. Just give the wiggle little bit more than open price of that candle. So your entire candle in a closing. If you we'll go on chart and I will show you exactly where you will put it. But here in the under the candle, 10 more cent, and that's all you will see.
Okay.
Okay. So this is all I am buying, and I will not buy whatever I like it on that chart going up, but it's too up from the 20. I will not go and buy it. People go behind it, but don't do behind. You will get, there is 5,000 stocks, and you get some stock which is you like. I just use means I am telling that Premal by number of times that I mostly do the FANG stock. Apple, Facebook, Amazon, and means whatever fancy stock available, which people are buying, but more of the ETF is buying, and all the retirement companies are buying, which people are investing in. They are buying. That stock is very safe. The volume is good. My stock needs minimum volume of 1 million starting. It has to be traded every day, minimum 1 million stock per day. This is minimum criteria. So all other stock will be filtered out. If there is a stocks which is traded for less than 1 million, I will not touch it. Let it go. I don't care. I will not trade that stock. And all the FANG stock, they are having this thing that people will go and buy that stock. So it will work when we see this. It will work all the time. You don't have to worry about like, okay, this will suddenly open next 10% or 20% down next day and you lose a lot of money. No, that will help you to sleep without worrying. Otherwise, you will be always worried. Tesla, if you do it, it's a more than $1 million stock, means traded stock, but it might be open 5% up, 5% down till Twitter Elon goes on Twitter and says something and everything goes otherwise, right? So I don't trade those kind of stock which is like very volatile at night. In the morning it can go anywhere, so I try to avoid those stocks. Same thing on reverse side. This is a SPY, means our index, S&P ETF, and you can see where you can't sell it here, but it goes down, come back, then find your way to how to trade, and that's your stop loss here. You just hold it, and again higher high, higher low will help here to how to get out of it. Same thing here, we got it in. My always buy is only 20 EMA. I wait for my candle. I will not go and buy anything. My stop loss is under that candle, 10 cent more, and that's how I will put it in. I will just go right with the stocks. Stocks is about 20 EMA. It's a uptrend for us. You can put any EMA, as I said, your birthday, your wife's birthday, kid's birthday, anything. Up. This is the rules we are talking about. I am not talking about 20. 20 is my favorite because a lot of people are using it. I am just saying this is the rule. You have to follow the rule. Psychology. This is how people success, only following the rule. If you follow this, okay, it's up about 20, closing about 20, yes. It's giving me my candlestick, yes. Where is my stop loss? This. What will be happening if this close below this? I am out. That's all I do. So I will not worry about what news one saying, what people are talking on the group, what people are saying. I like this candle. I will go and buy it. My stop loss is here. I will hold it. I will see how to get out of it. It's like again what I am saying is higher low, higher high swing, or closing below 20, you can get out of it. So your stop loss will be moving. You will move that. We'll see how to do that, but how to buy, where to buy. You can buy anything, whichever on the chart. You can buy currency. You can buy stock, commodity, whatever, oil, everything you can buy or sell, whatever you can chart, Bitcoin, whatever you want, any currency, anything. Just follow these rules. You will be successful, but it's hard. It's simple, but not easy. This is what people say. It's so simple. It's, oh, this is like under 20. Okay, it's pull back. I will wait for my candle. I will buy here, I will sell here, and that's all I want to do it. But when markets open, when money is in, psychology kicks in, people start breaking the rules, and that's the wrong thing to do. So follow the rules, follow the techniques. Any candles means any moving average, you plot any number you like, plot that. Make sure you follow that. Okay, this is my 2 candlestick. If I am buying, it should be up price. If I am selling, it should be back price. My price means that candlestick means is a price near to 20, means my moving average. It should be near to 20 or whatever moving average you put. So for me, I am 20. It should be near to 20. If it is very up above, I am not going to touch it. If it is going up, I let it go. I will not buy it. I have to wait for coming back. Once it coming back, okay, touching. Now I will have my attention. What to do? Market is doing good. Okay, it's again giving me buy entry. I will go and buy it, and then that's all. 200 moving average, lot of institution is watching it. Going down of 200 and going up of 200 is again a big deal. So you can watch that 200 once your price is near to it, or your moving average, which is your main primary moving average, short-term moving average, is far from it. It's if it is go away far, people means it will come back. It is like a rubber band. If you stretch it, it will come back. So this moving average also, if price goes away far from moving average, it will come back. So just you have to wait. Patience is the key in this industry, and if you lose it, you lose the money, real money. So you have to have the following the rules. So sometimes still after this many years, we break the rules and we pay for it. And then, okay, then we say, oh, we did that because it's breaking the rule, right?
Mayur, going back to that screen, so
Yeah.
our entry point is just above the average that you are seeing, and
Yeah.
on the green candle is when you come in. How do you estimate when to get out? Sorry, I probably didn't.
So swing high and swing low, that is what I'm going to show you how to do that. But that's, you can make, okay, this is my candle, right? Means people do 1 hour, 2 hour, means, okay, my stop loss I'm putting here, I'm buying these stocks. I am buying and my stop loss means my loss is $10 per stocks. For this particular stocks, I have loss of $10. If I get $15 profit, I will get out 1.5. If I get $20 profit, I will get out. And what I do, I don't make a profit assumption. I means mostly nowadays we are going options also. So that is other way I am covering. But here, when I was doing only stocks, I am just doing like, okay, I will hold this. I will go back behind the stocks. Wait for the red. Red is coming in. Once red candle is finished, again next green candle has to finish. Your stop loss moves to that red candle. Again wait for the red candle. Red candle finish, close, again green candle finish, your stop loss moves to the green candle, red candle again. So you follow the red candle, but after that red candle, green candle has to finish first. Once the green candle finish, your stop loss moves to that red candle. So you trade with the candle. So you will not lose that more than that candle. Once you, and I made, means I will show you that I coded into the software also. You guys, it's publicly available. You guys can use it. It's everything is there. I coded for means public, and I will show you that too. So if you really want to go long and you want to make a good money, there is a way to follow downtrend also. Means you can wait and just don't sell it, and it will show you how to do it. And you can just follow the rule that, okay, I will hold it until it will break my higher high. So when I don't have here tool to paint here, otherwise I can do something. Let me see. No, I can't. So I will go on a chart side and I will show you again how to do that too. Means let's see. The next slide, last one, where I'm saying people will say in all the YouTube videos, people will say 92% lose, 8% win. You will lose money. Yes, you will lose money. There is a stop loss. Always follow the stop loss. You will lose money. Once we go to the college, when we open the business, we are going to lose money. We have to we have to buy the gas, we have to buy the pencil, we have to buy the paper. Whatever business you're doing, you are going to lose money. How much money you are losing, that is very important. If you are losing too much money, you are closing your business straight away. So this business is for life, and that's why you have to lose minimum money in the market. If you are losing minimum money, you will be there for long. And once you are spending 2 to 3 years on the charts on your computer, looking at the charts, you will start making money. You will start making money for your life. You will not going to lose anymore, because that loss is not a losing money. It's your business expense. You are doing that for business. Once you are making money, that is your money. So how you are going to do it? So that is a psychology. Spend time on the chart every day sometime. Every day do something, paper trading every day. There is psychology change once you put your real money, but still paper trading helps. Follow the exact rule what you are going to do it. Don't trade a penny stock. Don't trade a penny stock. Please put this anywhere you do. If you want to make 200% in a day or two, you are going to lose entire house. Please don't trade a penny stocks. Don't trade stuff which very volatile. It's lose your everything. You lose your portfolio in a day. Don't do that, because it's a real money, not fun. For fun, you can go Vegas and do it, put on a blackjack and do it, but don't do it in the market. When you are doing in the market, do it good stock. Try to find the best stocks, buy it. Follow the rules. One candle stop. One candle stops only. If you lose one candle, get out. You do trading for next 20, 30, 40 years. you will make money. If you have money, you will make money. If you lose all the money at once, you are not going to make money. So stop loss has to be small. Position sizing, that is what we have to figure it out. How much risk you can take. You can sleep better. So risk, this is entire big subject, how to manage your risk to 2%, 5%, what you do. See overall, and I see now adding a little bit my option trading into it, and I see 50% has to be invested in the market, otherwise I will not make money. But if you are day trading, your maximum 5% money can be utilized. Means maximum loss is 5% that day, get out. If you are lose already 5% in your portfolio, get out. You can't do anything. Don't try to make it back. You will not, you will lose more. So go out, walk, go to the beach, do something else. You will get back tomorrow and new chart, new day, and you will be making that money if you have that money saved your portfolio that day. So don't lose too much. Don't lose too much. That is the most big thing to say, right? So when you do big losses that day, just don't try to make it back. So my rules is I don't trade penny stocks. I don't trade anything which is going up and down 10% per day. How much you want to make per year? So what you think is a good investment per year? How much it should be returned, like how much you should have in your portfolio per year to year basis on total portfolio. So if you are making 15%, you are beating a lot of $1 billion paid portfolio manager. 15% is way high. People are happy with 5 to 7%. If you are making 15% per year on the total portfolio, really nice. You are building your wealth. That's what it is. If you are making above 15%, you are master. You are very good, because people make 50% in a day or two or week or month. 50%, I'm saying, but then they will lose 100%, because if they are making 50%, they don't have risk management into the system. They will make 50%, they will lose 100% in the month. So they will, in the year end, on the average, they will lose everything. So try to make your that okay, but I am going to make this much money, but it's not should be like realistic. It should not be like, okay, I will make 100% per day. That's what people lose the mindset control on the trading, and they start breaking the rules. Because when you start with the 10,000, you can't make like 100,000 per month. You can make $100. If you make a $50, $20, okay, per day, that's nice. Because your percentage wise, you can't make 15%, 20% per year consistent. If you do that, you are a very smart guy. You are making good money and you are following your rules. That is, your system is working fine. And don't optimize too much your system. People do that. Means when you are in the trade already, people will start thinking, oh no, I do this and I do this, and this is now breaking, this is now support and resistance, and I will add this, and this is now peanut and channel and everything. Follow simple rules. Simple. Don't means if you are trading breakout, only trade breakout. It's okay. Rules, make the rules. Follow the system. You will make it. But that stop loss has to hit. Means you have to have stop loss. If you miss that, you are in trouble. You will lose longer time. You are not going to make money. That is for sure. And that's what I'm saying, that in shorter time you will lose money, because it's part of the system. You have to have stop loss. Otherwise, if you are not losing money holding that, people what they will do, I bought today Apple and then $200 loss I see next day, I will not sell it. I will holding that for next 10 years and waiting for that price to come back. GE, somebody bought GE on $40 and he didn't sold it. Today is a $5 stock, $6 stock, and they still holding it because they think they will come and I will sell when it's hit the 40. but he should sell that when it was like 40 minus 2, just get out of it. I will buy another stock which will go up, because what we are doing is trading the trend. So please trade the trend. Psychology that will come, you have to learn those things, spending time on the trading system, on your computer, on your chart every day. I was spending like 12 hours every day. I loving it. I do all the research. I write it down, my logs on the notepad, everything. My trade, I go and note it down on the notepad that why I took the trade. I follow all the rules. Yes, then I will be happy. I break it. I see I make money sometime, but it bites sometime. So that is mainly on my system. I will show you the chart now. Let me, I think I have to change the share screen again, right? Because that is how it's work. New share. Okay, let's go back here. You guys see my this browser now?
No, yeah, now we see it.
Okay. So I'm using TradingView, is a free software. I'm using Webull. I have TD software, Thinkorswim. So I am using this one because I can code. I know the ping just script, so I did some coding here. I will show that, and you can use it if you like it. So here I see the signal, and I go back in my live chart where I have the Webull and TD. There I see the exact pricing when I'm posting the order. But here is my chart. Okay, a lot of colors. So volume, mostly I don't focus on the volume. I have volume, which is always good, having a volume, but my stocks is always on above 1 million per day. So trading is minimum that thing. So I have this coded swing with SMA. So this is you can go on that TradingView and try to find this swing with SMA. You will see a lot of things here I am adding and removing, but you will see my chart. When I open, my chart is showing 220 EMA, SMA. EMA, SMA, everything, just put any moving average there, 2 moving average minimum. Now I have added swing high, swing low, which is, you see this black line here, which is swing high, swing low. So let me close all the color first. So we'll start one by one, and you can go and, so the zigzag will give you that, okay. Super trend. I tried super trend also. Means as a trader, you always try something and then see which works, what don't work. So my trading means this indicator is swing with SMA. That is what I am doing. Here is my trading chart daily, what I am looking at it. You see this chart near 20 is so nice one, but I didn't bought this one. I bought yesterday one, and my stop loss is here. You see the stop loss. Let's see. If you bought it, you can have the stop loss here. Just add 10 cents, whatever the price is. Right now, you can add and hold it until you get the stop loss hit. this is, I go and weekly and check it out also. So wealth building, you can see the weekly also, but I will, right now what I am showing is, you can go and 1 hour, you can go 5 minutes if you want to do the day trading. So right now we are an uptrend for the AMD. Whenever we'll go up, we'll buy it. So here I am buying it. Where else I can buy it? So when you go and activate my swing high, swing low. Now swing high, swing low, let's open the zigzag first. So it will showing you that, okay, this is the low, this is the high. Okay, when market goes here, it make first low here. First came here, come back. This is first one. You find your signal here, which signal we have to do it. So you need your candlestick. Here, look at this candle. If you make it big, let me see. You see here, this week coming back, and you are already here. This is coming back to your 20. People already start buying it because they think, oh, this is now coming back. But you are under 20. You are waiting for your sell. You are not buying. If you are under your EMA, I make it color also. So once it's under, price is under, it will be red. The price also going to be red. I am not changing the price right now. Yes.
Sorry to interrupt you, but can you just explain like the SMA and the EMAs a little?
So EMA is faster than SMA. SMA is a simple moving average. And EMA is some faster added, like they do. I have to, means we have to read about, but with SMA it's little slower than a EMA. So stock EMA. It will be moving little faster than SMA. There is a weighted moving average, there is exponential moving average, and they have some calculation on it. So formula and everything, but it's still moving average. Don't focus on that indicator. Don't think about how calculate it. Think about you are putting some SMA, some EMA, whatever, one moving average. Moving average is just past number of days, closing price, average. That's all. Sometime it's fast EMA, some is slow. You don't care. It's under you care. And how far from 200? This is far from 200. Your EMA, SMA is far from 200. This is my moving average. Let me put it like I'm using fancy, but 20 and EMA line, right? And this is 200. This is 20. Just think about it. Oh, it's too far looking at it. And this is near. So once it's far and your price is under, you start thinking about how to sell. Your first sell is here. This will be your first sell. Big candle closing as a engulfing. This small candle, green candle, it took it over. This is your stop loss. On this candle, top 10 cent, this is your stop loss. You will hold this. If you want to really short-term trader, next big green candle, you will be out. But me, this is my first entry. I will wait for pullback. It will come back. Because it's under 20 and this is first pullback, I will try to add more because this is first time. I will not worried about, okay, what going to happen. What going to happen? If I add it here, my stop loss moved here because I added here. So once you add it here, your stop loss is top of this one, 10 cent more. This is your stop loss. Now what you going to do is under 20, you are just waiting. Okay, it's not breaking. It's not breaking up. It's around 200 candle. So now a lot of people are watching this 200 moving average. Lot of people are watching. Start thinking of buying it or wait for it. You can just wait. If market is too bad, you know stock market fundamental and you know micro, and I don't know, but if you know anything, this is your stop loss. Near to 200, your stop loss has to move near to 200. This is your stop loss. Just hold there. Once it's broken, get out. Near to 200, your stop loss comes near to 200 and get out. Now we are up here. We are 200 up. What we are going to do? We have to wait. Let's first, because this is too big candle. If you see this entire candle, this is entire candle. In 2 days, is just up. You can't buy this much because your stop loss is too huge. You can't do anything. So wait it. And already this one is going up, means you are still not buying because it's not breaking up here. You can call it close, but it's not that close, right? So you will wait now. Came down, but it's already breaking up. You can, and you are on about 20, you are not still thinking sell here. This is a sell candle. This was a sell candle, but you are not thinking sell because your price is already on your moving average, above your moving average. You are not going to sell. It is a sell, but you are not, because near this moving average, smaller time frame moving average, 20 moving average is near to 200 moving average. It's not far. And your price is near to above your moving average, 20 moving average. Don't do anything. Now this is the candle. Think about it. You are here. It's showing up, but what happened here is price was closed here because it was red, but it opened, it closed above this candle. You can buy it here if you able to. Once I will start looking, my order will be here, because you are not seeing it, but when it open, it recover everything here. Entire red candle is gone and it become green candle here. This is our engulf. So once you try to buy it, try your order here somewhere, and just your stop loss is here because you are in engulf. Price close here, open here, and going up. That is your buy, because your higher high, this is low, right? Now it's a higher low because last low is higher. Again, this is higher low. Last time it was here, now low is here. Last low is here, new low is here. It's a higher. So your position, your thinking has to be positive. Your thinking has to be like, okay, this is going high. You, whatever news market is saying, whatever market is saying, forget about it. It's going high. What you are going to do? You are buying. Your stop loss put in. You are done. You don't have to worry about it. You just go with the flow. You will go with the flow. This is your, once you can follow, there is two stop loss you follow. One, you are following, your stop loss is here, your green candle coming in, your stop loss is moving here. Your stop loss is here, it's a red candle, again it's a green candle. After closing the green candle, your stop loss is moving back, again up. And next candle, you got it here. your stop loss here. Once you hit it, you are out. Now you can't have the buy right now because this is a huge red candle. You don't want to do anything. And because our price is up, now this candle is not able to close up. Right now, it's not able to close up, and that's why it's not moving anywhere. You will see here, okay, this is getting down now, it's far away. I need to close this green candle. Once I am under the price, I will wait for the green candle taken out. Once it's taken out, it's my stop loss here, and I will think about sorting it. But I will not sort it until it's not closing under this green candle. Not a single green candle is broken till here. Here, we broke the green candle. We may sell it, but our stop loss is here. It's hit here, we are in out. Now you see this is the sideways market, that this is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere, which is uptrend, downtrend, and sideways, because this is the huge selling pressure. You see the result came in, try to avoid result, it's not good. It's maybe be giving you big or small, I don't care, but try to avoid, once you are learning, don't try to go in and trade the result. But because of this big candle, always look for the big candle. If it is a red big candle here, under big red green candle, that somebody is buying, but we are not. We are buying here. When we are, our buy signal will come. When here up above big red candle, just look for it. If price start closing above, yes, now our psychology, this is all psychology. Now people who are sorting, they are out and we are in. So once you see above green candle, down green candle, start means size smaller, because maybe we are having somebody's buying, size smaller, but still if you are above this moving average, smaller size moving average, which is 20 right now, you can't do anything. You can't sort it. You can't. And once you are down, you start thinking it's okay, sorting time, where to sort, where to sort. This two candle is above, but it's not, last candle is not red. So it's not like you are having your two, that our buying candle is not matching here. So we can't do anything. So entire this sideways thing, we are just not doing anything because our rules. We have to follow that rules, and we are not. Now people will start breaking rules. That's the problem. If you break the rules, it's not going to help. So now I am buying, because why I am buying this candle, this one, our hammer. That was the first candle I was start thinking, yes, man, something is really nice. Now second candle, this candle closed above this, both the candle, which was red. This already took out all the shorts. I am happy, ready to buy, but I am not buying yet. Now I buying, my trigger is here. I will wait. If that may break up, or my trigger, this will start taking out and I am out. I will make a loss and I'm out. I don't care, means it's fine. That is my loss, right? We go back and see the SPY last 2 days. I trade SPY also. So once you are about 200, near 200, these candles you see, you always buy near the candle, means moving average. That's the main thing. So these two candles, our hammer, this hammers is giving straight indicator, whatever in the market people are saying, our price is above our average and 200, near 200, and giving hammer. That's a nice buy. Just buy it, hold it, forget it. You don't have to worry about it, that it will hit your stop loss. It will hit your stop loss, you are out, but it make money. So because this is higher high, our moving average is below our price, and our price is above both moving average. Right now it's touching 200, touching somebody, touching near to somebody. Both moving average is near. This is really good place. One is good place when your moving average far from 200, far. So you can be positive. But here you can't be positive. Here, this place is not good place to do anything. You are above your price, yes, right. But there is a something coming up on top. So price will have a lot of pressure from the market that, okay, something is happening, some news will come up, somebody happened. Market can go like 10% down, market can open anywhere. But once it broken up, we are still positive because our small time moving average is still going up. So we are still positive and it's supposed to go up. Price supposed to go up when market is above our moving average. So our thought has to be, okay, market is going up, we can't be short. Just we have to buy once our candle comes into the picture. Now this can be done on any, if you really want to go micro, you can go like micro for 2 minutes. You can trade 2-minute chart. You can trade 5-minute chart. You can trade 15-minute chart. You can trade 1 hour chart. You can trade any chart. I prefer 1 hour chart to daily chart for a good observation, and it will give you the better picture of the market. If you try to go 2-minute chart, just follow these rules. Make sure you follow the rules. Try paper trading and it will work. Only one thing I want to show now is last thing for wealth building. Means who people wants to make money in the market and don't want to do anything after like investing. They just want to buy and hold, right? So buy and hold people, that is also, you should have 2 portfolio. One is for gambling, which is we do, right? This is all, you can say investing, you can say making money, trading, speculation, whatever. Now you want to make up money for real, for long time retirement portfolio. When you are trading your retirement portfolio, what you want to do? Reverse, because here we are not selling anything. We are not going to sell anything, right? So always when you buy under the short-term moving average, under when last red candle taken out by green candle. So when you can buy here, this was going every day down. Everybody was so much mad and everything, but you have cash. You are sitting with the cash. That's how wealth management portfolio works. Big candle comes in. It's not close above, but you may buy here, or you means daily go to daily candle and try to buy it here. But your buying price always moving here. My first one, I will try to buy it here. That okay, if price comes here, I will buy. My order, stop order is there, but it's not hitting. Okay, come here. Next week, only you can see this on the Friday. Friday, 3 o'clock, you will log in and check your wealth management portfolio, your retirement portfolio only on Friday. You can't buy above 20. You can't buy above 20. You have to buy below 20. Whatever moving average you are using, short-term moving average, under that moving average, stock has to go under that moving average. Don't worry about higher high, higher low. Don't worry about, because this is wealth management. We are not selling anything. Just go down. Weekly chart, Friday evening, go take your coffee, 3 o'clock, check it out, your chart. Your favorite stock, Microsoft. When you buy, this is your buy. This is your buy. This is not my buy. I am not going to buy because this is wealth management. I will buy, wait for the red candle. Red candle is over. My buying is here. My buying is here. I will wait for it because red candle is finished. It will entire week, it will fight. It will try to close above, but not. I will wait here. My order is already executed. I'm going up. Same thing. I am buying here. My buy is here. Once this red candle is broken, so this candle is breaking finally. It has to close above red candle. This is very big psychological heating. Means if you can do the trading also on a weekly basis, but this very less thing will come up because it's a long term. You are buying for 5-6 months or 1 year. That's the thing here. But you can make, if you don't want to do actively, this is the how you do your moving average. Under that moving average, closing red candle, your buy order is above this closing red candle, above that red candle, under the 20. You are not going to buy here. These people are buying here. No, this is not for you when you are making wealth for retirement. Don't buy here. Don't buy here. No, this is not a buy. People are buying here. No, 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 no. You have to buy down the red candle. It coming down. It has to close green candle. It has to close above or hit above that red candle. So it's down here. You will be happy. You have to be happy. Okay, my order is here. Friday, I will put the order. Once the red candle close, next candle open, I am in. You see, you already made 23%. When market people are crying, you already made 23% without doing anything. Just Friday, no stop loss, nothing. Only this will help for the portfolio, which is a retirement, where you will buy only stocks which is best stocks in the market. Right now, see the Netflix. See the Netflix. It's already up, giving the hammer, but we can't buy because it's above. But if you trader, you will be happy looking at it. Look at it. See, it's going to come back. It's under good stock. It's under the 20 moving average. It's going to come back above the 20 moving average, and it's giving hammers. So it's a good thing. But wait for the buy signal here. Price has to start closing above 20. Otherwise, you will be stuck forever. This is our buy. This one is our buy again. See this? You buy here. Near 20, stock price close above 20, our candlestick, 2 candlestick closing. There is 100 of candlestick. Don't follow all. You can follow whatever you like, but follow minimum, not follow everything. One, this is also near our hammer. This is because our closing is still near. This 20 and 200 is still near. You can still add it. You can still add it here. What happened here? You see, this is too far. This one is too far. This two is too far. Wait for little bit time, give it time. It will catch it up little bit, or this will come back little bit. Wait for it. This waiting time, this is people where people lose it. People don't make money because of this. Okay, so I said a lot of things. I am now opening up. People can ask questions if need clarification. Sure. Premal bhai.
Sorry, I was looking for my unmuting myself.
Okay.
Yes, it is open to all. Like if anybody has questions.
Mayur bhai, this is really excellent presentation. Lots of information. Thank you so much for your time and information. The tradingview.com, probably I'll explore a little bit more. But yeah, thank you so much for your presentation.
Anytime, anytime. This is my passion. So
Excellent, sir.
Mayur, this is Bhushan. Thank you very much. I'll be honest with you. This is way too much information, and some of it went way over the head to be, to be
so
very
you
frank.
can come back and
But-
ask me. No problem. Anything. Just send an email. We'll discuss it. It's fine. I know this is too much information, but
Yeah, but I think, I have my two boys also here who are also listening. They are 21 and 18 years old. This whole thing started like, we need to teach these guys young so that, they learn the lessons early and start building on their whatever they want to do. So
Yes.
the concept is not on, I'm sorry?
No. I am saying yes.
Yeah,
Good.
and what we are also trying to do is, you mentioned a book earlier. What was that book?
Steve Nissan candlestick. So he explained all the candlesticks, but
Okay.
everything
Does he
available
explain this
online.
hammer and
You just YouTube all hammer engulfing. You can have this presentation. So
can you
just
spell,
to
can you spell that?
hammer is my presentation has both the information. So if you want, we can means you can have this, right? So everything, all the information is here.
Yeah.
So
I have
this is
that,
hammer and this is
I have the presentation with me, so I can forward it to Bhushanji.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Also, Mayur Bhai, one of the things that we want, meaning I'm glad you mentioned your strategy is different when it comes to building wealth and you're doing the day trading or whatever position or swing.
yes.
I'm glad to hear that because that is where nobody pays attention. I think that's where they lose the money. They take the day trade strategy into the wealth and the wealth strategy into the day trade, and that's how they lose all the money that they put in. Is one, at least that's how I lost money. I'll be honest with you. So, but
I was with you. I did that same thing number of years. So I am same place. I did same things and learn from it.
yes, believe me, those are costly lessons.
I know.
uh, yes. I'm going to talk to Parimal Bhai and what is this and Venu Bhai also to understand a little bit about this one, because maybe we need to understand a little bit about the candlesticks, little more, and then maybe come back to you with more questions, because this is really interesting. And when you're talking about that, so when you're talking about wealth, maybe this is how I'm going to start is like, start with one. And you mentioned a lot about rules. Do you have your rules written down somewhere?
Yes, I will. I can pass it on. It's no means it's not. Yeah, whatever I said, that's the rule. So I will pass it on.
Yeah, if that would be great. Now, one last question for me is, remember you said 2,200, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Moving average. How do you set it up there in the trading view?
So go to trading view. Let me go back to
Okay.
different chart. I'm loading a new means it's a free. I am not using paying, so it will not allow that way. But let me fresh. So let me delete this. Because it's allow only 2 or 3 indicators. So now you go to this indicator and strategy place where you just say simple SMA.
SMA.
Yeah, SMA, right? Moving average should be there by default. It's a built-in. It should not be the. Really? Okay, moving average. So I added here moving average, right? It's by default 9. I will add one red, making one red and call it 200. So MA is called MA moving average, 200.
Okay.
And one is my favorite, but you guys can again use anything. Making 20 and making blue or purple, whatever, which can be seen on the screen. So this is two moving averages, right?
Okay. So when you're talking about 200 moving average, that is when the institutional investors are getting in, correct?
Correct. Means
And the 20 is for
last
others.
one,
But,
you can means
okay.
40, 50, 60 again. One long-term moving average, one short-term moving average. One long means really
Oh,
long-term. One short means really like 10, 15, 20, 14, whatever your right number. Make it more than 10 and have the less than 30, right? And that's moving average is nothing but indication what to do. See, thinking needs to be changed. How? If your price is below that moving average, you think about selling. Your price is above that moving average, your thinking is buying. Second thing, when this short-term moving average is far from long-term moving average, you can start thinking differently. You don't have to start thinking means every time, but you have to wait for your moving average to go below your price. But you start thinking separately, means so differently. Now it coming near to it, you have to think that it should go up, but you have to be positive. But this might be a very bad time when every day something happened. One
okay.
price
Got it.
near moving average is means people start doing something, markets start doing something. That is my experience. So don't try to be short or long very close to this moving average once it's giving the reverse indicator, because 200 is saying I am below, means price is below, 20 is saying I am up, means price is going up. Our main objective is, okay, price is up because short-term moving average is above. So that's the main thing.
Okay. Thank you. I'm done with my questions because I can go on like this for an hour or so.
That's
But I think
that's all right. Yeah.
we
This
need
was-
to understand things first.
Your question is helping other people who is not asking questions. So don't ask, means worry about it.
Yeah, no, thank you. This was a lot of information in a very short time, but
So
definitely process it, and it would take us some time to digest everything, and then probably we'll have more questions.
Yeah, and it's definitely a very good starting point, at least for me.
Mayurbhai, I'm Dr. Jayesh here. It was a lot of learning, but something like difficult to digest kind of stuff because this is the first time we are eating it.
So we can go to the basic ones, means what is moving average and everything.
Yeah,
But
the main thing I wanted to ask you is how much is the return you are making as per your experience on
so
monthly basis or yearly basis?
last 2 to 3 years is really bullish, right?
Right.
We know, means I know Trump is a market person. So
Right.
3 years. So, and means as per after this 10, 15 years of learning, what I understood is going long because everyone wants to make this market goes up. If market is going down, everyone is depressed, right? So going down make faster money, but going long always make more money. My total last 3 years is really 20% higher than 20% sometime, some year. And I managed 2-3 portfolio, which is 30% last 3 years. So my friends, I'm just helping them and I am managing their portfolio. So they are seeing 30% last 3 years.
So
I am doing some stuff. 30% in retirement portfolio we are making into it.
Right. And how is your experience in the bear markets?
Bear market, I means make a lot of fast money, but then I will go away faster. My
But
it's
at
more
least
faster.
you are not losing the way people are losing in the bear market, I guess, right?
No, no, I made frankly speaking, I made money.
So I have a different philosophy than others. As per my experience, out of the total population, everyone is PhD. 30% wealthy people, they are also PhD. And 87% people like me, they are also PhD. But the difference is those 30% like you, they are passionate, hardworking, and dedicated. And 87% PhDs are like me, those who are poor, hungry, and dissatisfied. So rather than
Brahmin.
rather than learning all this stuff, people like me would be more interested into handing over the stuff to you. So what is the minimum amount that you are comfortable with? That suppose if I have to
So I am happy, but I can help you. Means I can help you on your.
but I am always I am always in a philosophy that means I want people to make their hobbies and passions as a profession. So
I love to, but this is H1 stuff. I am still stuck in the green card process.
yeah,
So
but
my full time
I
goes
can
to do my
understand.
work.
I can understand you cannot do it on an official basis, but suppose it has to be on the unofficial basis. Means how the thing can work. So maybe not today, but we will
We
discuss
can
about,
talk
yeah,
later. Yeah.
we can talk about that. What would be the minimum amount and what would be the minimum percentage out of profit that would be comfortable, that you would be comfortable with, right?
We'll talk.
Because I don't mind
After
that
Premal,
skill.
we'll talk with Premal.
Yeah, yeah. We can turn off the recording and then we can talk about it.
Yes.
This is Jeet and Channi. We just want to thank you for a wonderful presentation, very insightful. As many others have said, you have expressed a lot of difficult new concepts. I was wondering what resources you have to understanding this a little bit better.
Yes. Thank you, guys.
Glad it helped.
But you really have mastered this. I can tell that.
Yes, it's lot of effort, lot of time.
Exactly.
It's lot of psychology.
Right.
I have to change my thinking number of times. So that is the people lose because of psychology.
And means mistake is a one good source of learning.
Yeah, I did.
So I'm a college student, and I was wondering what resources you have so I can better understand the markets and maybe become like you.
So spending time on the chart every day. Every day you have to look at it. You have to write it down, that what you see, what you learn, right? Means today I am teaching something, but you might like something else. You have some support and resistance, some buying low strategy working for you. So I don't prefer the people follow what I am saying. People is just breakout strategy that they are waiting and breakout buying. They do that, right? So that work for you. But for once you say, okay, this is my strategy, you have to write it down. You have to make a stop loss. Means if you are having a shorter term, you will lose money, but you have to make that rules. You have to make that in the system and then trade it. For next 20 trade minimum. Minimum 20 trade if you doing it, same thing again and again without changing that. It might be paper trade. You are just buying paper trading account here. Means this software is free. Paper trading allow you in the market. Just do in the market that, okay, I'm doing my paper trading. They are providing money for it. So you see the paper trading money here. I think they have 150,000 or 100,000 they do. Buy anything. anything means I don't tell you the do only stocks. You want offline means off time Bitcoin. Do it currency, different time zone, right? So you can do it in the different time. You don't have time in the daytime. You can do it in the like night time or something. Find something which is trading at night, a different time, and do it here. Just do it for next 20 times. Same thing again 20 times, and see, are you able to make money? And you will see that you will make money once you do that.
Thank you very much.
So I use mostly Webull. I use Robinhood. I have Thinkorswim, which is TD emitted. Nowadays, I added the option in my strategy. I did the stocks lot. I didn't get into the future, directly jump on the options now. So I do the options trading nowadays. But that's all hedging and everything comes into the when you move out the stop loss, you need to put some hedging. Your profit goes less. It's that way. But once you're starting, don't go into around lot of stuff, other thing. Just understand moving average, just understand candlestick, and follow this for next at least few days, few months. Find out what you are working on. And if you have questions, you please shoot it. I will be happy to help. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mayurbhai. Thank you very much for sharing all this.
Thank you, Mayurbhai. Thank you.